graph the piecewise function. F of x has two pieces. One is f of x equals 3 for the values x is less than or equal to -1, and the other one is f of x equals x squared for the values x greater than -1. Since f of x essentially means y, we need to graph two pieces, y equals 3 and y equals x squared. But we will only graph these functions over the regions they have listed here. The top equation stands for the function y equals 3, which is the horizontal line through 3 on the y-axis. But we only want to graph the portion of that line for which x is less than or equal to -1. So we want to start here. The solid circle means that x can equal -1. And then we want to graph this to the left. This graph shows all the values of y equals 3 for when x is less than or equal to -1. The second equation is y equals x squared. If we solve for a couple points on this parabola, say x equals -1, 0, and 1, we will get a good feel for this function. Since y equals x squared, when x is -1, we will have -1 squared, which equals +1, and 0 squared, which equals 0, and 1 squared, which equals 1. We could also solve for the point where x equals 2, and we would get 2 squared, which equals 4. Now all of the right side of this parabola will be on our graph, and a little bit of the left side as well. So the point 0, 0 will be on the graph of our piecewise function because the x-coordinate 0 is greater than -1. So is the x-coordinate 1, so the point 1, 1 will be on our graph of this piecewise function, and the point 2, 4. So this whole right side of the parabola will be on our piecewise function, as well as part of the left side of this parabola. So we want to find the boundary point on the left, which is the point -1, 1. Since we are only graphing the equation y equals x squared for all x values greater than -1, we want to know where that -1 value lies. However, since our equation says that all the x's are greater than -1 and not equal to -1, that point -1, 1 will have an open circle on our graph. So we can draw our parabola up to that point. So the graph I have here is the complete graph of the piecewise function f of x equals 3 for the values x less than or equal to -1, and f of x equals x squared for the values x greater than -1. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more math tips.